Digital World, Lesson 1. Memory and Storage. Students, you are able to remember all your information because of your brain. Just as our memory helps us remember things, a computer also has a memory to remember and to store a lot of information. Let us read about computer memory and study how it stores data and information. Data and information. Data is given as an input to the computer. Any text, number, image, audio or video which we enter into the computer is called data. Data is raw and needs to be processed. When the input data is processed, organized and presented in a meaningful way, it is called information. For example, data, marks of a student in each subject information, total marks of all the subjects of a student. Average marks of the student. Computer memory. We know that different types of input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. A computer stores these data and instructions to carry out tasks. But where are these data and instructions stored? The computer system has different storage areas where it keeps data or information permanently or temporarily while working. This storage area is known as the memory of the computer. A computer has a large memory. The stored data can be retrieved from the computer's memory whenever needed. Units of computer memory. A computer can understand only two states: on, represented by 1, and off, represented by 0. These two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. A set of 8 bits is called a byte. Tech fact. A byte of memory is used to store a single character, a letter or a number. Bit is equal to 0 or 1. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. Tech fact. A byte of memory is used to store a single character, a letter or a number. Computer storage is measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, etc. The more bytes the computer has, the more storage capacity it has. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte, MB, is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte, GB, is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte, TB, is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 petabyte, PB, is equal to 1024 terabits. 1 exabyte, EB, is equal to 1024 PB. 1 zettabyte, ZB, is equal to 1024 EB. 1 yottabyte, YB, is equal to 1024 ZB. Memory storage devices. A computer stores data in memory or storage devices. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main area of a computer where data, instructions and information are stored. Primary memory is also known as internal memory or main memory of the computer. CPU can directly read from and write to this memory. Primary memory is of two types: RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory. RAM is a read-write memory. It stores data and instructions temporarily. It means that the data is stored in it as long as the computer is not shut down. When we start the computer, the operating system is loaded into RAM. But when we shut down our computer, RAM gets cleared and everything in it gets erased. So, RAM is a temporary memory or volatile memory. ROM, read-only memory. ROM is a type of memory which can only read. It stores the startup instructions for the computer. It holds these instructions even after the power supply is switched off. Hence, It is a permanent memory. These instructions cannot be overwritten, but can only be read. Tech fact: a computer with more capacity of RAM works faster than a computer with lesser capacity of RAM. Secondary memory. Since primary memory is volatile and has limited capacity, secondary memory is needed in the computer to store information for a long period of time. It is also called the external memory. The secondary memory is permanent, which holds the data and programs even after the computer is shut down. Examples of secondary storage devices are CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc, pen drive, SD card, hard disk, etc. Hard disk. It is the main secondary storage device that stores a large amount of data permanently, which can range from 500 gigabytes to 5 terabits. A hard disk is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. The platters are placed one below the other. They are coated with a magnetic material. It is fixed inside the CPU box. A hard disk stores operating system software, application software, and all other files and folders saved in our computer. External hard disk. It is a portable storage device. This hard disk is connected externally to a computer through a USB port, just like a pen drive. It can store a large amount of data just like an internal hard disk, and it can be carried along. CD, compact disc. It is a commonly used storage device that stores data permanently. Its storage capacity is up to 700 megabytes. There are many types of CDS, CD-ROM, CD read-only memory, CDR, CD recordable, CDRW, CD rewritable, DVD, digital versatile disc. It looks similar to CD. It is also a portable storage device, but it has more capacity to store data. Its storage capacity can be up to 17.08 gigabytes. Blu-ray disc. It is a scratch-resistant disk that can safely store data for a long time. It uses blue-violet laser light technology. Its storage capacity can range from 25 gigabytes to 50 gigabytes. Pen drive. It is a portable storage device that can be carried in a pocket. It is also called flash drive or USB drive. It is a plug-and-play device used to transfer data from one computer to another computer. Its storage capacity can be up to 1 terabyte. SD, Secure Digital Card. It is also known as memory card. It is a tiny storage device that is generally used in mobile phones, digital cameras, tablets, etc. It is available in different storage capacities like 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes, and so on. SSD, Solid State Drive. It is the latest technology which is fast replacing a hard disk. It is at least 3 times faster than the hard disk, but it is little expensive than the hard disk. Knowledge zone. Electronic circuits understand data only in the form of zeros and ones, binary numbers. SSDs replace traditional mechanical hard disks with flash-based memory, which is much faster.